Every human being has a body, mind, and spirit complex. It is what makes up the human energy field. However, we don't feel or even know it because it is invisible and almost intangible. But don't be mistaken, it is the gateway to a profound and transformative energy awareness journey and spiritual growth. Have you ever wished you were more aware of your energy field or had sharper intuitive and discerning senses to better understand yourself and the world around you? Then, this video will help to unlock the secrets of your energy and create a deep dive into the core of your being. By peeling the layers of your existence, you'll also discover the interconnectedness of your mind, body, and soul. As we reveal these insights and practices, you will discover that the mastery of your energy field and intuitive potential unveils the innate ability to perceive, understand, and navigate the subtle currents of the unseen world. If you search for images of the human energy field, you will be shown pictures of egg-shaped cocoons around the body. However, their sizes may vary based on health, age, emotions, and state of mind. This energy field is an integral part of many belief systems. It is subtle yet omnipresent and is the force that permeates and binds everything in the universe. Hence, recognizing that everything is energy forms the cornerstone of this understanding. Your body, emotions, thoughts, and even the environment around you are all composed of energy vibrating at different frequencies. The concept of auras is at the core of the exploration of energy fields. Simply put, an aura is like a bubble of energy protecting and helping us manifest our spiritual awareness. In a more human context, it is often referred to as the energy field surrounding our bodies, and they are made up of 5 layers: physical, emotional, etheric, mental, and spiritual well-being. The easiest way to create a sense of awareness of your energy field can be achieved through this simple exercise. In a group setting, create a circle by joining hands with those around you. Allow the energy of your auric field to circulate naturally within the circle. Take a moment to sense the pulsating flow. Observe its direction. Now, without altering your hand positions, pause the energy flow collectively. Maintain this stillness for a brief moment and then seamlessly resume the flow. Repeat this exercise, focusing on the subtle shifts in perception. Can you discern the difference in the energetic atmosphere? Now reflect on your preference between the 2 states of energy flow. Armed with this foundational knowledge, you are now ready to embark on the journey of self-exploration, learning to navigate and master the energies that shape your reality. Every one of us emanates a unique energy pattern or vibration, often shaped by several experiences, emotions, and thought processes. Unveiling and identifying these personal patterns helps to navigate the contours of your own soul, and this involves 5 essential steps. The first step here involves reflective introspection. Set aside a moment of quiet and create a space for self-inquiry. Dig into your past experiences and observe the emotional imprints left behind. Notice recurring themes, emotions, or thought patterns that surface across various life situations. By peering into the recesses of your consciousness, you begin to unveil the layers of your energy patterns that have silently shaped your responses to the world. The second step involves emotional resonance. Emotions naturally serve as potent indicators of personal energy patterns. Observe how different emotions manifest within you and explore their resonance in various situations. Pay attention to the subtleties, physical sensations, reactions, and the duration of your emotional states. Are there recurring emotional patterns in specific circumstances? Recognizing these emotional imprints provides valuable insights, which offers a roadmap to navigate and transform your responses. The third step involves engaging in mindful observation of your thought process and awareness. Notice recurrent beliefs, self-talk, or mental loops that influence your perceptions. Consider how these thoughts contribute to the overall tone of your energy. Are they empowering or limiting? The fourth step involves your behavioral habits. Examine your habitual responses to situations, relationships, and challenges. Do you find yourself constantly reacting in certain ways? Recognize these patterns of behavior that may either support or hinder your well-being. Lastly, environmental sensitivity. Your energy is in constant interaction with the external world. How do different spaces, people, or situations impact your energy? Are there environments that uplift or drain you? Do you notice the energetic shifts in the presence of certain individuals? Identifying these sensitivities will empower you to make more conscious choices that nurture your well-being. The first crucial step in mastering your energy fields and awakening intuitive abilities is to forge a profound connection with your own energy. There are several techniques here that help to increase self-awareness and promote energy mastery. Let's delve into them. The grounding technique is the foundational practice that establishes a strong connection between your energy and the Earth's energy. To do this, find a quiet space, preferably outdoors. Stand or sit comfortably and focus on your breath. Imagine roots extending from your body into the earth and securing you to its grounding force. Feel the energy exchange between you and the earth, cultivating a sense of stability and rootedness. Conscious breathing is another gateway to connecting with your energy on a profound level. To do this, engage in mindful breathing exercises, directing your attention to each breath. Feel the rise and fall of your chest and the sensation of the breath entering and leaving your body. As you breathe, visualize the flow of energy within you, syncing with the natural rhythm of your breath. This practice fosters awareness and promotes the harmonious circulation of vital energy. Visualizing your energetic aura is yet another powerful technique. Close your eyes and picture a radiant light surrounding your body. Notice the color, texture, and intensity of this light. As you visualize, feel the expansiveness of your aura extending beyond your physical form. This exercise not only enhances the connection with your energy, but also promotes a sense of self-empowerment and protection. Spending time outdoors also helps to deepen your connection, whether walking in a park, sitting by a stream, or standing beneath a tree. Allow yourself to absorb the natural energies around you. Feel the gentle breeze, listen to the rustling leaves, the rhythm of the ocean, the movement of the wind, and observe the play of sunlight. Nature's energy harmonizes with your own, creating a symbiotic relationship that enhances your overall well-being. In exploring energy mastery, a fundamental aspect lies in understanding and harmonizing the chakra system. This system is a dynamic network of energy centers that play a pivotal role in governing various aspects of our physical, emotional, and spiritual well-being. It comprises 7 main energy centers aligned along the spine, each associated with specific qualities and functions. The root chakra, situated at the base of the spine, anchors us to the Earth's energy. It governs our sense of stability, security, and basic survival instincts. To balance this chakra, engage in grounding practices such as walking barefoot on natural surfaces or imagining roots extending into the earth. The solar plexus chakra, positioned in the upper abdomen, influences our personal power, confidence, and digestion of experiences. Deep breathing exercises, core strengthening activities, and self-empowerment affirmations contribute to the harmonization of this chakra. The heart chakra, situated in the center of the chest, governs love, compassion, and connection. Cultivating love and kindness through heart-centered practices like meditation, gratitude exercises, and acts of compassion helps to balance and open this chakra. The throat chakra, located at the base of the throat, is linked to communication and self-expression. To enhance the throat chakra, Engage in activities that encourage authentic expression, such as singing or practicing mindful communication. The third eye chakra, nestled between the eyebrows, is associated with intuition, insight, and inner wisdom. Meditation, visualization exercises, and connecting with your inner guidance contribute to the activation and alignment of the third eye chakra. Finally, the crown chakra. Situated at the top of the head, the crown chakra connects us to higher states of consciousness and spiritual awareness. Practices that foster a sense of unity, such as prayer, meditation, and contemplation, open and balance the crown chakra. Also, regular energy healing practices, such as Reiki, and incorporating specific affirmations aligned with each chakra, contribute to the overall well-being of our energy centers. Intuitive journaling is a powerful practice that serves as a channel to the profound depths of the subconscious mind. It goes past mere documentation and allows you to dig deep into the intricacies of your inner world. In this process, authenticity takes precedence over perfection. It becomes a space to explore raw, unfiltered expressions of your deepest self. Creating a sacred and undisturbed space for intuitive journaling is the first step. This environment becomes the canvas for your inner exploration and offers a quiet sanctuary where thoughts and emotions can flow freely. As you settle into this space, it is important to silence the inner critic and make way for genuine self-expression. Setting clear intentions before embarking on your journaling journey is also important, as it adds purpose to the practice. So, whether seeking guidance, exploring emotions, or connecting with intuition, framing your intentions directs the subconscious mind towards a focused exploration. The flow of consciousness becomes principal as you engage in uninhibited writing, uninterrupted by the constraints of grammar or structure. Now, pay close attention to symbols, imagery, and metaphors that emerge during your journaling sessions. The subconscious often communicates through symbolism, and noting recurring themes can unveil profound insights. Emotions also become principal, with the journal acting as a canvas for exploring joy, sorrow, fear, or excitement. Also, ask open-ended questions to your subconscious mind within the pages of your journal. These questions can act as prompts by inviting deeper reflections and intuitive responses. The dialogue that unfolds in this process is very powerful and can open avenues to hidden aspects of your inner self. Over time, reviewing these entries, in turn, provides valuable insights into unresolved emotions or hidden desires. As you progress on your journey to mastering your energy field, incorporating advanced practices can take your exploration to greater heights. These practices can go beyond the basics, provide a more nuanced understanding of energy dynamics, and foster a profound connection with the universal life force. So, let's take a look at some of these practices. Energy clearing rituals. This practice is a potent tool for purifying and revitalizing your energy field, allowing you to release accumulated negative and stagnant energetic blockages. Explore rituals such as crystal grinds, sound healing, and smudging ceremonies to purify and cleanse your energy field. Engaging in these rituals amplifies your ability to maintain a clear, vibrant, energetic state. Quantum healing visualization is another powerful technique that explores beyond the traditional concepts of time and space. Envisioning your energy field as a dynamic, interconnected web can help you engage in imaginations that surpass the physical realm's limitations. Remote energy healing. Here, you can direct healing energy to others in your life or specific situations across distances. By developing this ability through focused meditation, you extend the reach of your energetic influence and promote healing and balance wherever needed. Akashic Records exploration. This is the energetic database of all experiences, thoughts, and emotions. Here, advanced practitioners can access a vast reservoir of information to gain insights into your past, present, and potential future. Exploring these guided meditations allows you to tap into wisdom held within this technique and deepen your understanding of your soul's journey. Lastly, you can elevate your breathwork practices with mystical techniques aligned with ancient wisdom, such as pranayama, circular breathing, and breath retention. This practice aids your connection to the spiritual realms and opens doors to supreme states of consciousness and profound spiritual insights. Embarking on the journey to master your energy field and awaken your intuitive abilities is a life-changing endeavor. Still, like any significant undertaking and practice, it comes with its own set of challenges. However, by understanding and effectively navigating these obstacles, you'll be able to gain sustained progress and growth. Let's take a look at some of these challenges. One notable challenge arises from self-doubt and inner resistance, where individuals question the validity of their experiences and the effectiveness of energy practices. To counter this, it becomes very important to cultivate the mindset of self-compassion. Learn to embrace the process and acknowledge that doubt is a natural part of growth. Positive affirmations and celebrating the small wins also help to build confidence and reinforce your ability to master your energy field. Energy drains and external influences, such as stressful environments or draining relationships, pose another challenge. So, establishing clear boundaries with yourself and others becomes essential here. Practice more grounding techniques to release the accumulated stress and negativity while consciously surrounding yourself with more positive influences. Another hurdle in energy mastery is consistency and discipline. Amidst the demands of daily life, maintaining a regular routine can be challenging. However, ritualizing the practice and integrating it into your already established routine enhances consistency. Lastly, staying resilient in the face of setbacks is another major challenge. However, to get through this, you must see the challenges as opportunities for learning and refinement. Seek support from a community, family, friends, or a mentor, and again, practice self-compassion whenever the setbacks present themselves. Overall, embarking on the journey to master your energy field and awaken your intuitive abilities is a profound exploration of self-discovery and change. By embracing the practices, techniques, and exercises outlined in this comprehensive guide, you will be empowered to navigate the intricate web of energy that surrounds and permeates every aspect of your existence. As you embark on this enlightening path, may you find clarity, balance, and a deep connection with the innate wisdom of your intuitive self.